How to add reviews on Shopify store homepage. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add reviews on Shopify store. So let's get into the video. So reviews, as you all know, are very important when you have a store or if you're selling products, because it is very likely that people are going to buy the products that have reviews from genuine reviews from different people that they know is authentic, and that they know the people have already used and they have all the good things to say about this some product. So it is very important that you have reviews on your Shopify. So how you can add reviews and how you can boost your Shopify earnings of your products by adding different reviews. So what you need to do is you have to open your shopify.com or Shopify, and then you have to open your shop. In your shop, this is going to be your home page, something like this, and on the sidebar menu you are going to find an option which says apps. When you click open this app setting, there you're going to find an option which says app and sales channel settings. Open this up, and in there you are going to find a couple of other options, but what you need to access is this option which says Shopify App Store. Click open the Shopify App Store and you're going to find something like this. When you come on to the Shopify App Store, on the search bar you're going to search for reviews like this. Okay, so I have already searched for reviews. Now I'm going to wait until it gives me the solution and it gives me the related apps that I want. Okay, so when you search for the reviews, you're going to get a lot of apps that you can add into your Shopify. You have early reviews, Trusto product and reviews, LOOX, Revo, etc. So these are all very good review apps that you can use and that you can integrate into your Shopify, and you can basically go on and start with any one of these. Like this Trusto, it has 5.0 rating. Judge.me has also very good rating. Early reviews, early product reviews, all of these have good ratings. So just choose the app which has a free plan and which has a good rating, and it will work for you. If you want something that is very authentic, that you can search for reviews Shopify, because there is also a review app available that is powered by Shopify. So you can use that as well when you are searching for an app to add reviews, because it is definitely going to be more authentic. But it is not available everywhere. Like right now, the area that I am in, the Shopify app reviews is not available. So I'm going to just search for any other review. I'm going to back and I'm going to open up any the Trusto review app, because it is also a very good and trusted authentic app that you can use for reviews. Like you can see that. Okay, so this is a review importer app. You can get the reviews from Ali and Amazon, and you can import and you can integrate your reviews from there into your Shopify as well, but we don't need that. So you just it is very important that you make sure to read the description. This is a product reviews. It allows customers to leave product reviews on your store. So this is the one that I want. Okay, so click on add app, click on install app, and your app will be installed. You can see that what this app can do in your store. It can view the orders, it can edit the products, and edit your online store. After installing the app, your customers are going to find an option to say to add a review on your product. And if you sell good products, then they are going to say all the good things about you. Do ask your customers to leave in your reviews of your products, and from there you're going to generate more customers when they are going to see that your products are tested. So this is how you can add reviews on Shopify. This was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.